Hello and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be sharing how I made my aesthetic DIY collage wall. I've been wanting to make one of these since the beginning of quarantine, like 5 months ago, but obviously everything closed down and I wanted to paint my room, so I had to wait for stores to open so I could paint and then put it up. And honestly, I've been procrastinating a lot on putting it up. Yeah, so I was inspired by the Teza collage kit. I actually wanted to buy one of them. I wanted to buy like the wave set, ocean. I don't know, it'll be up on the screen. I wanted to buy that and my mom's like, Anna, you can just make one probably for cheaper. That would be more original, so that's what I decided to do. And even though most of the pictures, well, all of them are from Pinterest, at least like probably no one is gonna have exactly the same photos as I do. So it'll be pretty original in that way. But I finally am going to do it. I'm so excited. I think it's gonna look really cool. And let's get right into making it. So I started off literally looking up everything on Pinterest. That's where I found all of my photos. And I did find all my pictures like 5 months ago, so I don't remember exactly what I searched up, but it was mostly like vintage aesthetic, retro vibes, aesthetic. I put aesthetic after pretty much everything. Maybe like different colors like pink, yellow, or like inspirational quotes, all that kind of stuff, just until I found what I thought would be enough pictures. And alright, so after I found all of my photos, I downloaded all of them to my computer. So I downloaded all my photos and I had 290 pictures. I bought them from Walmart just because that's the cheapest place that I found. And I bought 220 4x6s and 77 4x4s, and I uploaded them to the Walmart website, and I just went through them to make sure they were all like adjusted well. Some of them that were low resolution, once I changed it to 4x4, it was great. It all worked out. And then I bought them and I spent $65, which is kind of a lot, but I did order a lot of pictures. I ordered them in matte, and 4x4s are more expensive, and I also did 1 hour shipping, or like pickup, so they were ready in an hour, and that all made the cost increase a little bit, but I think it was totally worth it. I mean, I could start my collage wall the day I got my photos, so. And yeah, that is all that I did to like set up to start building my wall, and now let's get into actually making it. Alright folks, so I just got my pictures picked up from Walmart, and I'm gonna sort them out and just decide like my favorites, which ones I want to go together, and all that cool stuff. So yeah. I thought I got rid of that one. Alright, so I'm planning out my wall, and I wanted to try to put like Polaroids with it.
Is my foot in it?
Now it is.
I'm trying to open the mark.
But I don't think that'll look that, well, I feel like it would look cool, but they don't really like fit that well. There'd be gaps. So, okay, so to put them up, we're using this sticky blue stuff that we got from Ace. And I sorted them out into like ones I didn't like as much, which I'm gonna put on the top. They're not seen, and like the ones I like better are gonna be in the middle, I guess. So yeah, let's get this party started. Okay, so it's been 30, 45 minutes, I don't know. And I'm just about finished with the first row. I think it looks pretty cool. I just realized though, so when I was planning, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start over here, go that way. So if they don't fit, it'll be on that side. But then when I started, because this is not totally flat, so I was like, oh, it won't be a straight edge, so I'll start over here. But then if they don't fit, I think there's gonna be like a gap on this side, which I'd rather have on that side. I think it'll just be for like the top few rows. That's my update, and you know, you'll keep watching me put them up until I have something else to say. Alright, so I finished the first 2 rows. I think it looks pretty cool, if I do say so myself. And it worked out actually like really perfectly. Like this was like perfectly 1 foot. So I had like 3 rows, and then 2, and then like these ones I had 3. And then I did have a tiny gap here, but I got a lot of extras. So I just like laid them on top of one another. And I mean, you can obviously tell right now, but like from far away you can't. I'm gonna be done for now because dinner's almost ready, but I'm just gonna go through all the ones I really want on my wall, put them aside, and those are the ones I'm gonna try to put up first. Also, I don't think you saw very much of me putting these up. When I do that tomorrow, I'll show you guys more, just so I'm like in the same area, not like moving back and forth like this. So yeah, let's sort out all the favorites. Okay, so it's the next day, and I know I literally look the same. I've been wearing this shirt every day since I bought it. But I'm gonna finish up my wall. I feel like it'll take a while, but I really wanted to get it done today so that I can put my room back together. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do today. And you guys are gonna watch that if you want to. So let's just go. Okay, finished up the first row that I was doing today. And I found that if I put one that was like 6 by 4, then it fits perfectly on the edge. I'm trying to film as best I can, but it's a little difficult because it literally takes like 1 minute to put up each picture. Not really that long, but a while. I did some more sorting. They're upside down, but I sorted them into like, these ones are like the ones with faces, landscapes, and like quotes, and then these ones are like the quotes with a solid background. So that way I can kind of see like, oh, I've had a lot of landscapes, so let me put a face kind of thing. And then it just helps me keep it consistently like getting everything that I want. Alrighty, I figured I'd give you guys a little update. So it's about 12 o'clock. I'm on my last stick of blue goop. And if you remember yesterday, I sorted all the pictures into like my favorites and then the ones that I still liked, of course, because I bought them, but like not as much. And I actually finished putting up all my favorite ones, which is super cool. So now I have these that I'm going to put up. It's done. I'm super excited. I just finished putting up the last one. I actually have more pictures that I want to put up, but I ran out of the blue stuff. So we'll probably buy more of that and then I'll finish up because it's just the very bottom. And my bed will probably cover most of that, so it's fine for now. I just am happy to be finished. It took maybe 2.5 hours today, 2 hours yesterday. I'm not really sure, but I'm really excited. It looks really busy, but I think I'll get used to it because I really like it. Like when I film, I'll probably only have like a little corner. Like I probably will never film like this because that's a lot going on. So. Alright, so that's the end of this collage making video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe were inspired to make a collage wall of your own. I really love it. And now you know how if you didn't already. Not really sure. But stay tuned for the rest of my room transformation. I will have a video coming when I finish it, hopefully within the next month. Fingers crossed. But yeah, you got a little sneak peek. So I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.